Welcome back. I'm Larry. So tonight we're working on my 1976 Ford truck. So let's go and jump into it and take a look at what we got. All right. So tonight I want to be replacing these clear turn signal lenses on the front of the truck. These are original. They're dull. They're dingy. They're cracked, and it's just time to change them. Yeah, put in some nice new fresh units. Make it look a little bit better. Yeah, the grill is still dirty. I want to get the grill polished, but I'm gonna go ahead and change these lights out just to make it look a little bit better, and then later I can do the grill and it'll really make it pop. So this is the unit here. This is the brand new lenses I got from Dennis Carpenter, and very nice looking unit. Looks just like the factory pieces, and they are the same left and right. So they'll go. The grill is made for these pins to line up. The top one is on the driver's side, and then the bottom pin holes would be on the passenger side. So you just order two of the same. They're the same left and right, like I said. So Dennis Carpenter, here's the part number for it if you're interested in it. And see, it even says right there, right over left. It's got a D5 part number because 75 was the first year for these, not the clear lenses, but for the complete housing. 73 and 4 had a metal housing that was made into the grill, and then you just had a clear lens that screwed over the top. 75, they went to this full housing that encases the bulb and changed the whole thing out at one. And then, of course, in 77, they went to the amber lenses. But 76, 75, and 6 use this style. And I like the clear lenses better for most cases. Some vehicles look better with amber, depending on the color. But I like these better for my 76. So all we're going to need for this install is just a simple Phillips head screwdriver. Got 2 screws on each lens, and then it just comes right out. I'm going to take it, just turn the bulb housing, and it comes out like that. And now this one is done. We can get ready to put the new one in. And you can see what I mean, how it's all cracked up and all. It's got a big crack right there. So that lets in moisture and all. That's not good. So yeah, it's just time to retire these old pieces. They've served their purpose and definitely got the money's worth out of them. So, and just to give a side-by-side comparison, you can see this is the new one, and then this is the old one. And this one's a lot brighter. It looks better, but they are exactly the same. Before I put it in, you can see I was talking about how the holes for the dial pins are at the bottom on this side. On the driver's side, they'll be at the top. That was done. All right, just to show a real quick before and after. So the driver's side one's still original, obviously. This is the new one. I don't know how well it picks up on camera, but the passenger side one, the new one, is definitely a little bit brighter. Kind of makes it stand out a little bit more. And there's the driver's side with the dial pin holes in the top of the grill. There we go. Done deal. All right, now we can stand back and take a look, and that just looks better. Yeah, it's the little tiny details that make up a big picture, and there right there is just one extra little thing that I got done now that just kind of helps clean it up a little bit. especially with those new side marker lights that I installed a while back. I got another video on my channel if you want to see me install those, but that looks really good like that. And real quick, even though it's kind of unrelated, but since we're on the subject of lighting, I also replaced these as well and got them looking nice and new. The old ones were kind of cracked and old and faded, so I put some nice new ones in there. If you're interested in the part number, this is it right here. Got it from Dennis Carpenter. Or actually, it's from Dennis Carpenter, but I ordered it from CJ Pony Parts, but it's Dennis Carpenter brand. That's the part number and what it is, and they're the same left to right. And if you're curious on how to install them, you can check out my previous video that I did in the past when I replaced these. It's the same process, same way to glue the gasket, and the same installation process. Alrighty guys, well that's all there is for this video. That's a quick, simple install. The price on these is $34.95, I think. $34.95 a piece. So for two of them, you're looking around $70. It's kind of pricey for what they are, but you know, they'll last for many years and won't have to really worry about it no more. So yeah, that'll last the rest of my life, I'm sure. So I don't have to worry about changing them again, but it just helps make it look a little bit cleaner, look a little bit better. And then once I get that grill polished up, it'll really pop in. But yeah, so like I said, quick, simple install. So that's all there is for this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the drop box down below. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.